hold onto your hats. Today, we're entering the world of giant fruits and vegetables, where pumpkins are larger than your car and watermelons could crush your couch. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey as we count down the top 15 largest fruits and vegetables ever grown. If you think you've seen big produce, think again, because these beasts will leave you speechless. Make sure to stick around for number 1, where we reveal the biggest fruit in the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content. Number 15. A marrow larger than a baby hippo. Philip Vowles, a retired vegetable gardener from Wales, brought something truly unique to the table, an enormous 150-pound, 68 kilograms, marrow. This vegetable monstrosity grew to such a massive size in only 6 weeks. Philip used a unique cross-pollination technique to grow his marrow completely organically, and the results are jaw-dropping. It's so big, it could be mistaken for a baby hippo. Vowles hoped to secure the world record for the largest marrow ever grown, and with this colossal specimen, he came very close. Will next year be the year he claims the title? Number 14. The King of Pumpkins. Next entry is a record-breaking pumpkin that's no ordinary jack-o'-lantern. This monster was grown by Matthias Willemijns from Belgium and broke the Guinness World Record in October 2016 with a mind-boggling weight of 2,625 pounds, 1,190 kilograms. Imagine carving this pumpkin for Halloween. It could swallow your front porch whole. This behemoth took the title at the Giant Pumpkin European Championship, and the record has stood strong ever since. It's not just a pumpkin, it's a world record holder. The secret? Matthias used a special variety of pumpkin seeds known for their enormous potential, along with years of experience and careful cultivation. Maybe next year you'll be able to beat this record, but for now, this pumpkin is the king of Halloween. Number 13. The grapefruit that shocked the world. Up next is a grapefruit that weighs more than most newborn babies. In January 2019, a massive 7-pound, 3.2 kilograms, grapefruit grown by Mary Beth and Doug Meyer from Louisiana captured the world's attention. When it comes to citrus fruits, bigger isn't always better for flavor, but this enormous grapefruit was not only big, it was sweet and delicious. With a circumference that rivaled the size of a basketball, it quickly took the Guinness World Record for the largest grapefruit ever grown. Mary Beth and Doug's 10-year-old tree produced this amazing fruit, showing that patience and dedication in the garden can result in record-breaking success. Number 12. The massive watermelon of Tennessee. We all love watermelon, especially in the heat of summer, but have you ever seen one that weighs more than 350 pounds, 159 kilograms? Chris Kent of Sevierville, Tennessee, holds the record for the largest watermelon ever grown. This juicy giant took center stage in October 2013 at the Operation Pumpkin Festival. This watermelon could make enough slices to feed an entire neighborhood. Just imagine hosting a backyard barbecue with a fruit this size. What makes Chris Kent's watermelon stand out isn't just its size, but the incredible taste it maintained, according to those lucky enough to sample it. It's been nearly a decade, and no one has come close to breaking his record. The next time you bite into a slice of watermelon, just think, could you handle a piece from this 350-pound giant? Number 11. Onion of epic proportions. Next, we travel to Newark, England, where Peter Glazebrook has become something of a legend in the world of giant vegetables. In 2012, Peter grew an onion that weighed 18 pounds and 1 ounce, 8.2 kilograms, an achievement that smashed his previous world record. Peter is no stranger to the Guinness World Records. He holds multiple titles, including records for the heaviest cauliflower and the longest parsnip. His massive onion left everyone speechless at the Harrogate Autumn Flower Show, where it was the star attraction. How does Peter do it? He attributes his success to meticulous care, the perfect soil, and a lot of patience. Will you be able to grow an onion to rival his next time you're in the garden? Number 10. The mega strawberry from Japan. In May 2015, a Japanese farmer from Fukuoka named Koji Nakao grew a strawberry that weighed an incredible 8.82 ounces, 250 grams, breaking a 32-year-old world record. This wasn't just any strawberry, it was the result of a mutation known as a mega bloom, where several strawberries fused together to form one massive fruit. At 3.15 inches in height and 4.7 inches in length, this strawberry is truly a sight to behold. Koji's daughter described the strawberry as delicious, and with its sweet taste and perfect ripeness, this berry quickly became the stuff of local legend in Japan. Number 9. The potato you can sleep inside. In Idaho, potatoes are legendary, but one potato took things to a whole new level. While this 6-ton potato isn't technically real, it's an Airbnb experience that allows guests to sleep inside a giant potato-shaped hotel. After years of touring the US as part of a promotional event, the Big Idaho Potato Hotel settled on a 400-acre farm in Boise. Guests can stay in this one-of-a-kind potato hotel for just $80 a night. Talk about an unforgettable experience. But in terms of real potatoes, Peter Glazebrook, yes, the onion guy, holds the record with an 8-pound, 3.8 kilograms, potato grown in 2011. Number 8. Apple of unbelievable size. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, especially if it's the 4.1-pound, 1.8 kilograms, apple grown by Chisato Iwasaki in 2005. This Japanese farmer holds the Guinness World Record for the heaviest apple ever grown. Chisato Iwasaki's apple farm in Hirosaki City, Japan, is famous for producing top-quality apples, but this one stole the show. It's been nearly 2 decades, and no one has come close to beating his record. Number 7. The enormous tomato. Moving on to tomatoes, Dan McCoy, a Minnesota native, broke the 28-year-old record in 2014 with a giant tomato that weighed 8.4 pounds, 3.8 kilograms. Dan's tomato was the result of a mega bloom, where multiple tomatoes fused together to form one massive fruit. After years of perfecting his pumpkin growing skills, Dan shifted to tomatoes and smashed the record. Number 6. The world's heaviest leek. In 2018, Paul Rochester from Seaham, UK, grew a leek that weighed an astounding 23.5 pounds, 10.7 kilograms, earning him the title of the world's heaviest leek. Paul's journey to growing the largest leek wasn't luck. He's been in the business for over 20 years. His advice for growing massive vegetables? Supplementary lighting and careful indoor growth techniques to avoid weather damage. Number 5. The creamiest avocado. Avocados are all the rage, but have you ever seen one that weighs 4 pounds, 1.8 kilograms? The Groves family in Australia grows massive avocados, known as mozzillas, which are 4 to 5 times the size of your average store-bought fruit. These giant avocados are not only huge but creamy and delicious. Just one of them can cover up to 20 slices of avocado toast. Talk about bang for your buck. Number 4. Peter's massive cauliflower. Peter Glazebrook strikes again with his record-breaking cauliflower, which tipped the scales at 60 pounds, 27.5 kilograms, in 2014. This cauliflower was so big, it had to be measured twice to confirm the record. It was over 6 feet wide, with leaves that could almost be used as umbrellas. Number 3. The world's largest lemon. In 2003, Aaron Schemmel from Israel grew the world's heaviest lemon, which weighed 11.9 pounds, 5.4 kilograms. This enormous citrus fruit still holds the record to this day. Measuring over 29 inches, 74 centimeters, in circumference, this lemon could make enough lemonade to last you the entire summer. Number 2. The sweetest cantaloupe. In August 2019, William and McCaslin grew a 67-pound, 30 kilograms, cantaloupe, smashing the previous record by just 1.1 pounds. Cantaloupes are typically 2 to 10 pounds, so this 67-pound fruit was nothing short of extraordinary. The sweet melon took everyone by surprise at the Tennessee State Fair. Number 1. The giant jackfruit. And now, for the largest fruit in the world, the jackfruit. The world's largest jackfruit weighed a whopping 94 pounds, 42.6 kilograms, and was discovered on a farm in India in 2016. This tropical wonder is not only massive but also delicious, with a sweet taste resembling a mix of pineapple and banana. The fruit's size can feed entire villages, making it a valuable crop in tropical regions. And there you have it, 15 of the largest fruits and vegetables ever grown. From gigantic pumpkins to massive jackfruits, these agricultural wonders remind us that when it comes to growing produce, sometimes bigger is better. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos, and let us know in the comments which of these giant fruits or vegetables surprised you the most.